I think I've witnessed through my parents and even in my own relationships of the message that you're not lovable if you're not a good domestic housewife. And so I rebel against that message. I don't live with anybody right now, but I would like to someday.
Is a house order is the issue right now?
No. Or is it an issue right now? Yeah.
It is. So do you use that to protect yourself from relationships?
I I
You like the idea, but is it
yeah.
actually something that you want? Is it comfortable? Is it safe?
I like being a hermit. There's a benefit to being a hermit. So,
So do you think that might be an issue? That's how you protect yourself.
mhm, mhm. It's a factor for sure. And well, I guess if you can't love me for a bit of mess, how can you really love me?
But it will even come to it if you wake up in the morning. I'm not ready for relationship. I need to take care of home first. I'm not gonna go on a date, or if I'll do, I'm not gonna, I'll make sure it doesn't go far enough, so I have to invite him home. Or if it gets that far, I'll make sure my house is such a disaster, so he's repelled, so I am safe here. It will be his fault. He didn't accept me for who I am. If you can't love me like this, what good are you? So find your story
Hmm.
in writing. So, okay, you found a man who loves you with all your kingdom in the shape it is now. He loves you for who you are. It doesn't bother him. Then what's happening after that? Did you feel it here? Uh, it didn't feel good, did it? The house is only a symptom. So real problem is not feeling safe, even with the idea of having a relationship. But it's not normal. Society expects us to have families. Families always asking, well, are you dating? Are you going to get married, right? Now you have to say, no, there's nothing wrong with me. I am normal. I just didn't find a man who will accept me for who I am. It's something wrong with them. I too used it when I got divorced. I didn't want anybody in my home. I didn't have a lot of stuff because I walked out from my marriage barefoot with like zero penny, not even a penny in my pocket. I didn't have much, but I had enough to make a mess in the house. So even my friends would call, "Can I come see you? It's been a while. My house is a mess right now. It's not a good time. Sorry." Took me a while to understand what I was doing. Then I was just like, I don't want to see you. Then I figured I don't have to live in a mess to keep people away, to keep people that I didn't want to see. I don't have to punish myself or build that barricade. And what will happen if you met a person who you fell in love with, who you trusted, who you welcomed into your home, with whom you build plans for future, and it all failed through? Disappointed you, hurt you, then what will happen? You'd be devastated, hurt. And what will happen after that? You'll shake it off, you'll heal yourself, and you go on with your life. You were alive before he came into your life, and you'll continue live. You see? You'll be still okay.